17-year roll among 7 nabbed in St. Anne lottery scam raid. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 7 people, including a minor, have been taken into custody by the police following a major joint military police operation in Great Pan, St. Anne's earlier in the week. The operations form part of the authorities' crackdown on lottery scamming across Jamaica. According to the police, between the hours of 5 a.m. and 9 a.m., a joint military operation led by the Lottery Scam Task Force searched several homes at Great Pond Estate in the parish. 3 BMW motor cars, 1 Mark X, 1 Toyota Crown were seized along with 10 cellular phones and 2 laptops. Several of those in custody, include a 17-year-old, have been charged with breaches of the Fraudulent Transaction Act and possession of identity information. Their identities are being withheld pending further investigation by the Lottery Scam Task Force. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.